Yeah, it's just connected. Come on. I have no idea. That's definitely oh, I'm sorry.
End of the phone, Lori. Guys, it's real. The whole thing is real.
Hello everyone, my name is Shilame Mateo from 11 Yums Hernandez from Group Ravenclaw. We are tackling the screen horror film Unfriended Dark Web. This movie takes place entirely on computer screens, focusing on a group of friends who stumble upon something truly terrifying online. We are going to examine whether this unique format successfully builds tension and delivers on its dark premise, or if it falls flat. Let's jump right into the review. Number 1. Make an introduction about the film. Title, director, characters, and synopsis. The title of the film is Unfriended Dark Web 2018. Director, Stephen Selznick. And the characters are Matthias, Amaya, Demon, Nari, Lex, and AJ. The synopsis is a group of friends connects via video chat, but their night is ruined when one of them, Matthias, finds a stolen laptop. The laptop contains disturbing files, and the original owners, a group of dangerous hackers, begin systematically terrorizing and killing the friends of one by one, using their online presence against them. Number 2. Are there any IP to discuss in the film? If so, please elaborate. The entire film uses the interface of a group video chat application, like Skype or Zoom, showing the reliance on real-time online communication. Storage data access. The plot revolves around accessing files stored digitally. Cryptocurrency, dark web. The hackers use the dark web for illegal activities and likely use cryptocurrency for transactions, which is a major trend in illicit online economies. 3. Are there any internet threats shown in the film? If yes, please elaborate. The core threat is the hackers gaining control over the victim's devices and accounts. Identity theft. The hackers reveal personal information and use it to manipulate victims and others. Cyberstalking. The constant surveillance and psychological torment inflicted by the hackers. Ransomware. Extortion. The hackers demand money and use threats to control the victims. Malware, remote access threats. The hackers gain remote control over webcams, microphones, and devices. What are some lessons we learned from this film? Never access or keep data that is dangerous, especially if seen suspicious or illegal. The internet is not always anonymous. Actions online have real-world consequences. Strong digital security practices, like using strong passwords and being wary of unknown files, are crucial.